always like the behind the scenes for stories. I think the stories are great to give an inside look on your business. Who's operating it? Like right now, I know Will is filming this for me, but he's also doing a story for me. It's helpful so people can see actually more what I do. So I can learn how to love. Stories. Does anybody here actively use stories on a regular basis? Yes, I know you guys do.
I don't understand them.
Okay, so it's okay.
That's a no for Barbara.
That's a no. Stories are great. It's actually just another way to share a little bit more. I always like the behind the scenes for stories. I think the stories are great to give an inside look on your business. Who's operating it? Like right now, I know Will is filming this for me, but he's also doing a story for me. It's helpful so people can see actually more what I do. And I think that that's the idea of it. So I know I've mentioned it before, Jill, like, you know, when you guys are doing 20 cakes on a weekend just to like go around and like how busy the store is and just something that's like that. Or, you know, Kate, when you guys are laying out, remember that one job you had where you had your whole house was full of like that kind of stuff. That's what I would post on the stories versus putting it onto my actual feed. Because you want your feed to look a certain way and you don't want it filled up with that stuff. The other part is it shows up different. So you might be seen in the stories more than you might be seen in somebody's feed that's following you. So there's a lot of little things like that. But what I like to use the stories for, which is what I've been doing and it's been working, the minute that I would post something new onto my page, I would then share it because there's a capability, that little arrow, to share your post to your story. And then I would write new post, and which then people who see my story, it would lead them into my feed to read my post. So that's the way I've been using stories lately, and it's been working, in addition to all the other behind the scenes stuff. But that's one way that I've been noticing I've been getting a lot more engagement on my actual photos that I post. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.